power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 392 in Earl Clear Coat. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, worn winch, removable rear quarter windows, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 11,000 miles in the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, select track full-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, hinge gate reinforcement by MOPAR, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10560.